Hello all, welcome back to Pure Learning. Um, so, I think it will be better if we directly go to the problem, right? I'll give a recap at the end, it will be much better. So, in this particular video, we are going to see the first three subdivisions in the first problem in exercise 3.3 in the class 10 NCERT textbook. And this, we are seeing linear equations now, right? So, in this first problem, what they are telling us to do is we need to find the x and y values using substitution method. So we need to use substitution method to find the values of x and y in the given pair of linear equations, right? So in the first problem there are 6 subdivisions. I want to do the first 3 subdivisions in this video and we will do the next 3 subdivisions in the next video, okay? So the first problem, exercise 3.3, first problem. First subdivision in the first one. Okay. First, for x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. Okay. We need to use substitution method, right? If you don't know what substitution method is, if you are new to this video, you can directly go to the previous videos which I took on substitution method and you can find the concept there. Anyway, I'll explain how to do this particular problem, the first problem. So, x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. So, what I need to do is, I need to write x in terms of y and substitute that particular value of x in the other equations. That's the exact same thing we need to do here. So, let me take the first equation, x plus y is equal to 14, right? So from the first equation we can say that x is equal to 14 minus y, right? Because the y comes there, that's it. So x plus is equal to 14 minus y. Therefore I am substituting this x in this equation. Therefore it will become x is 14 minus y, right? Therefore 14 minus y is equal to 4. That's it. So 14 minus 2y is equal to 4. 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 5. I found the value of y. That's it. I know the value of y now. Now what should I do? I need to substitute the value of y in any of the one equations. I can get the value of x. That's it. So y equal to 5. I am substituting the value of 5 in the second equation. Therefore, x minus 5 is equal to 4. X is equal to 9. I know the values of x and y now. Therefore, x is equal to 9, y is equal to 5. This is how I need to substitute. It's substitution because I'm getting a value of x in terms of y. I'm substituting that value of x in the other equation to get the values. So that I got the values here. That's it. Now let's get to the second subdivision. Okay. Second subdivision is s minus t is equal to 3. S minus t is equal to 3. S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Is equal to 6. Okay. Now, it's very simple, right? X is equal to 3 plus t. S is equal to 3 plus t. I am substituting 3 plus t here. Therefore, 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now, what should we do? We have a fraction here. So, whenever we have a fraction, we just need to take the LCM of this particular side. Okay. So LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. Therefore, I need to multiply this into 2 and multiply this into 3. So it will be 6 plus 2t plus 3t divided by 6 is equal to 6. Therefore, 6 plus 5t will become 36. Numerator 6 plus 2t plus 3t. So 6 plus 5t is equal to 6 into 6. This goes, the denominator here gets multiplied with the numerator on the right hand side. So 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. 5t is equal to 30. T is equal to 6. Now I know the value of t. How do I find the value of s? So s minus t is equal to 3. S minus 6 is equal to 3. Therefore s is equal to 9. I know the value of s and t. Very, very simple, right? That's it. This is how I need to find the value of s and t in this particular problem. Now let's get to the third subdivision. Okay. In the third subdivision, it is 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Okay, this is kind of a special problem. Okay. By looking at the coefficients, we can say something. We saw this particular type in our previous videos, right? We studied inconsistent, consistent and dependent, right? We compared the coefficients and we saw a relationship. Like if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, it has a unique solution. If a1 by b2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, it is a dependent pair of linear equations. And if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, those are inconsistent. As in the lines are parallel and they have no solutions, right? So in this particular problem, if I solve, I won't be able to find the value of x or y because this actually has infinitely many solutions. Why? Because let me take a1 by a2, a1 by a2 and then b1 by b2 and then c1 by c2. Now a1 by a2 is 3 by 9, which is nothing but 1 by 3. b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 3, which is again 1 by 3. And c1 by c2 is 3 by 9 is again 1 by 3, right? Therefore, here we see that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. That's it. So we don't have to solve this using the substitution method and all, because even if you find the values using substitution method, you won't be able to. You'll get what you'll get is you'll get a constant equal to a constant. That's what you will get. If you actually try substitution method, you do that. You try the substitution method for this particular problem and you will kind of see, you won't be able to find the value of x and y because both these lines are the same. If you multiply this particular equation into 3, you are going to get the same equation. That's it. That is why both these lines are two different lines, but they exactly lie on the same line. They are completely coincident. Therefore, it has infinitely many solutions. Therefore, this is a dependent pair of linear equations. Dependent pair. That's it. Cool. Very good. Done. Okay. So we have seen the first three subdivisions of the first problem in exercise 3.3. And in our previous videos, we saw all these basic things where we saw the substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, and we saw the graphical method. And how we use these four methods to solve a particular pair of linear equations in two variables. So this is how we have been proceeding, and we also studied this particular concept. We saw the coefficients concept, where if we take the relationship between the coefficients and if there is any kind of relationships that exist, that is the consistent, inconsistent and the dependent. If the coefficient satisfies those three conditions, it belongs to that particular category, right? It is either consistent, inconsistent or dependent. That's it. So whenever it comes to a pair of linear equations, you can use any of the method, but generally graphical method is you need to graph and you need to find plots and everything, and you need to plot the points and you need to find the intersection. But in case of algebraic methods, which are substitution, elimination, cross multiplication methods, these three are algebraic methods, and you can use the algebraic methods wherever and whenever, even if you don't have a graph, you can just sit and solve these problems. Understood? So that's it for this video, and in our next video we'll see the next three subdivisions in the first question in exercise 3.3. Till then, bye bye. Happy studying.